Let's prepare 6 ounces of formula. For my 10-month-old.
Any feeding bottle that you're going to use for your child always has number written on it. So check, there are numbers written in ml and there are ones written in ounces. The ounces, OZ, and the ml. I am going to make 6 ounces of milk for my daughter. So I am pouring my water up to level number 6. If you see, I have stopped at that number 6. Now, each ounce of water requires 1 scoop of milk. If you're making 3 ounces, it requires 3 scoops of milk. For each ounce that you're making requires that number of milk. If you're making 7 ounces, you need 7 scoops of milk. Now I am making 6 ounces for my daughter, so I am going to be using 6 scoops of milk. Now I am putting my first scoop of milk. This is the second one, the third scoop, the fourth scoop. This is the 5th scoop. But please, if you fill your scoop like this, it is excess milk. You have to level it. I don't like using extra thing to level my milk because of jams. I level it, but you have to make sure that it is leveled like this. This is the appropriate and correct measurement for a scoop of milk for any ounce. Now, in shaking, do not shake up and down. Try to shake in circular motions. This will reduce the bubbles on the milk, especially if you're feeding your child immediately. I am done shaking the milk. As you can see, there are a little or almost no bubbles on the milk. Now, here is another thing. Make sure there are no milk particles on your milk. Try to check the bottle to see that there are no milk particles. If there are milk particles, that means that milk is not ready for you to feed your child. You have to shake it until there are no milk particles. Now I'm putting back inside water to cool down properly because my daughter doesn't like hot milk. She likes it in very cold or rather room temperature. Now for any formula that you're using for your child, you check at the outside of the container. There is always written instruction on how to prepare it. You read the instruction and follow the instruction. It's as easy as that. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.